Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? C plus ink, see ink. Duh plus bull, double. Seeing double. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome to our show. On my right, the man who won the game at the end of yesterday's program, and in doing that, he picked up $3,400 in prizes. This is Joe Arnold. Welcome back, Joe.
Thank you.
And good luck to you today.
Thank you, sir.
Against a young lady who is a good player and has a very quick wit. However, she has promised not to use that wit at my expense today. Stephanie Schnabel with $13,317 in prizes. Welcome back to you. You have that impish gleam in your eyes, Stephanie.
Me?
Yes, moi. Yes, indeed, moi. Take a look over here, and we will tell you about this fabulous prize.
The blues got you down, Bunky. Well, you'll be tickled pink as you and a guest lie on the white sandy beaches of Bermuda.
Yeah!
We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Bermuda. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Mermaid Beach Club on the South Shore, overlooking a glorious private beach with on-premises swimming pool, European-style dining and nightly entertainment furnished by the Mermaid Beach Club. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Let's show Stephanie and Joe where they will find that great holiday in Bermuda at number 13. All right, let's go to work in this first game today. And Stephanie, you get to select first.
Okay.
Each of you has a strike against you. You know that.
Yes, I do. I'd like to start with number 15.
Italian sculpture.
Could be interesting. Let's look for a wild card or match under number 23.
Refrigerator freezer. No match. Joe?
I would love to go to Bermuda. Let's go once again with my favorite, number 14.
Green take.
Okay, that'll come in handy. So let's go up top to number 3.
Fishing equipment. No match. Stephanie?
Okay, let's try with number 1.
Diamond watch collection.
No, let's look under number 11.
Italian sculpture. Joe?
Where was that Italian sculpture? Was that number 15?
It was pretty close to it.
And number 11.
And number 11. At opposite sides of the puzzle. And so 2 panels on opposite sides of the puzzle will open up. Select again.
No guess. Okay, let's go to Bermuda at number 24.
Entertainment center.
Okay, and let's try to match that up at number 6.
No green take. Stephanie?
Okay, let's try number 9.
Wild card. Let me guess. You have a lucky number, don't you?
That's right. That's
and it just happens to coincide with something.
Yes, it does. That trip to Bermuda under number 13.
13, the holiday in Bermuda. Yes, indeed. The other Bermuda vacation is on the top line at number 4. Swing 'em open for Stephanie. Go again.
Okay, let's try number 22.
Recliner.
Nope, haven't seen that. Let's look under number 3.
Fishing equipment. No match. Joe.
Oh, okay, that fishing equipment, where was that? Let's see what's behind number 10.
Food processing.
Okay, and I don't think we've seen number 21.
Telephone and answering machine unit. No match there, Stephanie?
Okay, we haven't hit the corner number 5 yet.
We will now with a red take.
Okay, what about number 7?
Refrigerator freezer. Joe?
Okay, what was behind number 24?
Entertainment center.
Okay, let's go up top to number 1.
Diamond watch collection. Stephanie?
Okay, let's look at number 19.
Food processor.
Number 2.
No, entertainment center. Joe?
Okay, I'd like that entertainment center. Was that number 24?
Correct.
And number 2?
Number 2. Yes, we were bumping around there for a little bit. We started strong, then we slowed, And now we're starting to make progress again. Joe, you've got two pieces of the puzzle opening up for you. Go again.
Okay, what's behind number 8?
Phone and answering machine unit.
And was that number 21?
I think so. Yes. Now it's starting to fall into place for Joe. What happens as we open these? Go again.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 17.
Red tape.
And up at the top corner at number 5?
Red tape. Here is the tape. I don't know if you want to keep it for long.
Yeah, I'll take Bermuda. I'd like to go to Bermuda.
Okay. We will give him Bermuda. Put this away. There is still the green tape on the board. 2 panels swinging open for Joe. Go again.
Wow. Okay, what's behind number 20?
Recliner.
Oh, and was that at number 12?
No. But there's a wild card there, so it's going to work out for you anyway. The recliner's on the bottom line at 22. 3 doors opening now for Joe. Pick again.
Oh, okay. What's behind number 18?
Diamond watch collection.
And was that at number 6?
Nope. Stephanie, here's a
Okay,
break.
let's look under number 1
Right.
and number 18 for the match.
The diamond watch collection, that is correct. Here's your chance. Take a look at the puzzle. Pick again.
Okay, number 14.
Still a wild card up there, too. There's the green take.
Check number 6.
There's a match. He took Bermuda away from you a few moments ago. Do you want to return the favor, or do you see something else up there that you might prefer?
I think I'll take Bermuda.
Come on, Stephanie.
Sorry.
Stephanie is going to take Bermuda, and she may get to enjoy a holiday in Bermuda if she can solve this puzzle now.
Is it butternut donut?
Say that again.
Butternut donut.
Is it butternut donut? No, it is not. Select again.
Okay.
Oh, not you, Joe.
Sorry.
Stephanie gets to pick.
Number 23.
Refrigerator, freezer.
Do we see that under number 19?
No. Food processor there. Joe.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 7.
Refrigerator, freezer.
And number 23.
Refrigerator, freezer. Joe, here's your chance. Take a look.
Is it buttermilk donut?
Is it buttermilk donut? And it is, and Joe's a winner with a lot of prizes. New champion. Come on, Joe.
Okay. Here we have the ram whose butt plus the tear, butt tear plus the goat, or from the coconut milk, buttermilk, and the dough plus the nut for buttermilk donut.
Buttermilk donut, a good solution, and it's a solution that has made you a champion. And you have just handed Stephanie her second strike, and that means we have to say goodbye, Stephanie.
Thank you.
I can't recall when I've enjoyed having a contestant poke fun at me more than you this week. But
Well,
you're going
thank you.
away a big winner, $13,317.
Great.
Congratulations,
Thank you so much.
Stephanie.
Thank you
Take
very
care.
much.
Good luck at school.
Thank you very much.
All right, Joe. Let's hear about the new prizes coming your way.
A phone and answering machine and an Italian sculpture. Miller imports Armani, hand-painted in Italy. Lady with Flowers is designed with intricate details, styled with the elegance of classic European sculpture. Furnished by Miller Import. And an entertainment center. Ashley's 5-piece bar, display and entertainment cabinet, designed in smart contemporary white, super gloss finish with brass finish accents. World-class furniture, furnished by Ashley, and a recliner. Lazy Boy recliner rocker. You may enjoy quality and comfort as you rock, recline, or relax. Furnished by Lazy Boy. And a refrigerator freezer. Gibson's Frost Clear refrigerator freezer with features designed to make food storage easier and more convenient than ever before. Furnished by Gibson. And this is a prize package totaling $3,025.
And not only that, but you've earned another shot at the cars when we return. Well, Joe Arnold has done it. And now he gets to play for the Cars once again. So let's put him to the test. 15 numbered squares and 3/4 of a minute on the clock. Joe, 45 seconds. Good luck. Do it.
1, 4.
No.
7, 10.
No.
13, 2.
No.
5, 8.
No.
13, 5.
No.
10, 5.
Yes.
11, 3.
No.
6, 9.
No.
11, 3.
No.
11, 6.
Correct.
9, 12.
No.
3, 9.
No.
15, 3.
No.
4, 15.
Right.
13, 9.
Right.
7, 12.
Right.
8, 2.
No.
1, 2.
You know, if you'd managed to make that match on the Excel, you might have been able to rush out two numbers and pull it off in order to win a brand new car. But I'm not too concerned for you because you've got $6,488 in prizes. And you get to play again. We'll have a new contestant for you right after this. Welcome. We're happy to welcome to our program right now a young lady whose name is Amy Ridgren. Did I get it right?
Yes, you did, Alex.
Amy?
Amy.
Ridgren. Where are you from?
I'm born and bred in Los Angeles.
Really?
Yeah.
You going to school still?
Yes, I attend UCLA where I'm studying psychology.
Psychology. Good for you. When are you going to graduate?
Well, hopefully 1993.
1993. All right. You've got a 4-year plan underway, and it's going to complete itself in 1993. Marjorie has a plan underway also, and I don't know when she'll finish with this.
Perone will surprise you throughout the year with a dream gift of chocolate-covered popcorn, chocolate pizza, and mousse truffle chocolates. Gifts for the most discerning connoisseur, furnished by Perone Chocolatier. Alex.
Marjorie's 4-year plans are a lot shorter for some reason. She wolfs down chocolate. Thank you, Marjorie. Joe and Amy, take a look at our board. We'll show you where you can find all of the wonderful chocolates at number 25. $600 in the cash pot in this game. The bonus seconds are in this game as well, and we have a Florida vacation. And Amy, you get to pick first with just one wild card to assist you up there.
Just one?
Just one, yeah.
Okay. Well, let's find that wild card at number 11.
There's the wild card. Well, what are you going to do with it? The only prize you've seen is the chocolates.
Well, I'll fish around.
Fish around
Fish
for the
around.
Florida holiday?
I'd love that. Let's try number 3 for Florida.
3 for Florida? No, we have a green take. The other green take on the board at number 10.
That's
So you get
okay.
that. That's insurance for you later on.
Against him, I'll need it.
Yes, you will. Joe's a good player. Open these 3 panels. Why are you laughing, Amy?
Sorry.
Why are you laughing? What did you see up there that makes you laugh? You wouldn't by any chance be laughing at what used to be square number 11 there, would you?
Oh, no.
You're not laughing at that?
No.
Got anything against animals?
I like the color red. That's what I'm laughing at.
That's why you're laughing.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's red. Okay, let's open up the middle here at number 18.
Water filter system.
Hey, in Los Angeles, you can use it. How about we look for the water filter under number 14?
Assorted parlor games. No match. Joe.
Okay, let's go up to number 4.
Red take.
Okay, that'll come in handy. How about a match for that under number 17?
No. Florida vacation there. Amy?
Ooh, okay, I want to find Florida. I have never gone on a spring break, so let's try 21.
Red take.
And I believe we saw that at number 4.
Yes, both takes from your side. Here you go. You're in good shape. Open it up.
Okay.
It's all right. You're nervous and you're having a good time. That's what you're supposed to do.
Okay.
Select again.
Can we try number 7?
Cash pot.
Oh, that's helpful at UCLA. Let's try number 1.
Yeah, they're raising the fees this year. Computer, no match. Joe.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 6.
Cash pot.
And over at number 7.
Right next door. That's correct. Of course, Amy has both takes. 2 panels. Swing them open for Joe. Try it again.
Okay, what's behind number 14?
Assorted parlor games.
Let's see what's behind number 18.
Water filter system. Amy.
All right, I think we saw that. Let's try number 19.
Video camera.
Oh, that would be fun. Can we try number 20?
Sure we can, but we don't get a match.
Oh, well.
China set. Joe?
Okay, what's behind number 5?
Diamond and amethyst earrings.
That'd be great. Let's see, what's behind number 22?
Assorted parlor games. No match. Amy?
Did we see those assorted parlor games at number 14?
Yes?
And number 22 for the match.
That's a match. And you've got the take, and he's got $600 in the cash box.
And I have the other one, too.
Yes.
It's mine. Give me the money.
All right, give her the money. She needs it. She's a struggling student at
That's
UCLA.
right. That's right.
Open these 2 doors for Amy Ridgren.
Is it move up the line?
Is it move up the line? No, it is not. So you get to select again.
Okay, let's try to clear up that bottom corner at number 20.
China
I
set.
saw that. All right. I don't believe we saw number 2.
Chocolates. Joe?
Let's see what's behind number 2
Chocolates?
and number 25.
Chocolates. A prize for your column, a chance to solve the puzzle.
Is it moving up the ladder?
Is it moving up the ladder? No, it is not.
Okay.
You get to pick again.
Let's see, what's behind number 9?
5 bonus seconds.
Oh, that'd be great. And number 24.
Water filter system. No match. Amy?
Okay, I'd like to try number 17.
Florida vacation.
Was that at number 8?
No, that's the diamond and amethyst earrings. Joe, we're right back to you.
Okay, what was behind number 5, please?
Diamond and amethyst
And
earrings.
number 8.
And number 8 for the earrings. Her earrings, says Amy. Let's open these 2 doors for Joe. Pick again.
Wow. What's behind number 19?
Video camera.
And how about number 13?
No, Florida vacation. Amy?
Can we see number 16, please?
Computer.
Was that number 1?
Computer. And you've got the tape, and he's got the diamond and amethyst earrings that you love.
I know, but Florida's still out there. Still, Florida's out there. I've got
All
to
right.
save it.
She wants to save it for Florida. Computer. Open those panels.
I still need that middle section.
All right, then select again.
Can we try?
Oh, there's the bell. You won't get a chance to use the take after all. Hands on your signaling buttons. Here we go. Number 9, number 12, 13, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23. Amy.
Is it move up the ladder?
Move up the ladder. Yes, and by golly, aren't you sorry you didn't use the tape to grab those earrings, but you're still a winner. Come on, Amy. Let's go to the board. Go ahead.
All right. First we have the move plus the V for move, and the up. 2 men going up. So move up. The plus the lad, Scottish lad, and the deer. Ladder. Move up the ladder.
Move up the ladder. Right you are. Joe was close. He said moving up the ladder. And that means we have a second strike against you. We have to say goodbye, but you've got $6,488 in prize.
Had a great time.
Congratulations, Joe. Take care. So long. All right, Amy, let's hear about your prizes. Gene.
A cash pot worth $600, assorted parlor games, and a computer. The Apple Macintosh Classic Personal Computer, a transportable system for home education and business tasks. Powerful technology that's easy to use.
And that's worth about $1,600. Not only that, you've earned a chance to play for a car after this break. The lady is a giant killer. She beat Big Joe Arnold, and now she gets to play for a car. 15 numbered squares. Base time on the clock, 35 seconds. Good luck, Amy. Go to work.
1, 2.
No.
4, 5.
No.
7, 8.
Nope.
10, 11.
No.
13, 14.
No.
10, 13.
No.
3, 6.
No.
3, 4.
No.
9, 12.
No.
10, 9.
No.
15, 12.
No.
15, 8.
No.
15, 5.
Yes.
2, 8.
No.
2, 6. 2, 3.
I think you were so nervous that you were hoping it would end quickly, and it did. But you've got $1,600 in prizes, and we're going to take a break. Gene?
Some of today's participants may receive Magnavox portable stereo AM/FM dual cassette recorder is smart, very smart. Its turbo bass generator gives it great sound performance furnished by Magnavox. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Our new champion is this young lady, Amy Ridgren, a student at UCLA, a budding psychologist. You were very nervous in that bonus round. Now, I want you to think about that between now and tomorrow's program, because you're a psychologist. You should be able to figure out how you can overcome that so that if you get back to the winner's circle, bang, 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 you'll win a brand new car, right?
Right.
Okay, that's the positive attitude. Next time it's hers, she says. We'll see on our next show. So long.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.